Today we are fixing a table that looks like someone tried to squeeze a month of data into one cell. It looks like dates and sales are mashed together, separated by slashes. Our mission is to turn this spaghetti into a proper table with date and sales columns. Let's make it readable and useful. I'll start by loading this table into Power Query. You'll see one column called Info, and inside it that giant string of numbers and slashes. First, we will split it by the delimiter to get each piece, year, month, day and sales, as separate items. Click Split column in the Home tab. Choose a custom delimiter, a slash, split at each occurrence of the delimiter, and in Advanced Options choose Split into rows. Now we've got a list of values like this. It's still not perfect, but at least it's readable. Don't forget, every 4 values represent one record: year, month, day, sale. So let's group them up. I'll create a new step and type info in square brackets, the name of our column, to get the list. Now we are ready to use List.Split function. List.Split takes a flat list and chops it into smaller chunks of 4 items each. That's how we turn one big line of data into logical groups. Next, I'll merge each group into one string again, separated by slashes. It's a bridge step helping us move from a list structure to a table structure. We will use Text.Combine function and a slash as a delimiter. That's the place where we can transform the list into a table. Just click Transform to Table. The structure is a bit better now. Our records are already separated, but we need to separate the date and the sale. So let's use Split column once more. The delimiter is the same, but we will now split at rightmost delimiter. And in Advanced Options we will choose Split to columns. And we are almost done. You can now rename the columns and define their data types. And that's it. From one giant text string to a clean structured table. We split, grouped, combined and split again, turning chaos into insight. If you've got a faster or cleaner way to do it, I'd love to see it. Drop your version in the comments. And don't forget, the more likes the video gets, the more challenges I'll cover in future tutorials. See ya!